and welcome everyone. Today we will be making churros. A churro is a type of fried dough from Spanish and Portuguese cuisines. For this, take a heavy bottom pan over medium heat and combine half cup milk and half cup water. To this add 8 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon sugar and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Let the butter melt and combine. Stir continuously. Remove from heat and add 1 cup of flour and stir to combine. Once incorporated, put back on heat and stir constantly for another 2 minutes to release extra moisture and partially cook the flour. The dough should come together in a smooth ball and thin film will form on the bottom of the pan. Transfer to a large mixing bowl. And use an electric mixer to beat on medium speed for 2 minutes. To cool the mixture slightly. Add 4 eggs, adding 1 at a time and allowing each egg to fully incorporate between additions. Beat until dough is smooth and forms a thick ribbon when pulled up. Transfer dough in a pastry bag fitted with a large open star tip. Heat 2-inch deep vegetable oil for frying. Pipe 6 inches lengths into hot oil and cut with scissors. Fry 1 to 2 minutes per side or until golden brown, then flip and fry another 1 to 2 minutes. Fry in batches, about 5 to 6 churros at a time. Transfer to a paper towel lined plate. Then roll in cinnamon sugar. Your churros are ready. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel and comment what recipes you want to see in the future. And until next time, keep cooking.